Welcome to our channel. Once upon a time, amidst the rolling hills of ancient China, there resided a boy named Chen. Though possessed of a kind and gentle heart, Chen bore the burden of a formidable adversary, his own mind. Haunted by the specter of past hurts and grievances, Chen found himself ensnared in the tangled web of overthinking, unable to escape the relentless loop of negative memories that seemed to plague his every waking moment. From the sting of hurtful words to the weight of unkind actions, Chen carried the heavy burden of his past experiences with him wherever he went. Each slight, each insult, etched itself into the fabric of his being, leaving him mired in a state of perpetual turmoil. His overactive mind rendered him incapable of finding solace or respite, robbing him of the joys of childhood and clouding his every interaction with a pall of unease. As days turned into weeks and weeks into months, Chen's plight did not go unnoticed. An observant elder of the village, his eyes keen to the struggles of the young boy, extended a compassionate hand in his time of need. With a gentle word and a knowing smile, the elder suggested that Chen seek the guidance of a revered Zen monk residing in a neighboring village, renowned for his wisdom and ability to help those burdened by the weight of their thoughts. Emboldened by the elder's counsel, Chen embarked on a journey of self-discovery, his heart heavy with the hope of finding peace amidst the tumult of his mind. With each step, he drew closer to the sanctuary of the Zen monastery, where the promise of enlightenment beckoned like a beacon in the darkness. Upon reaching the hallowed halls of the monastery, Chen poured out his heart to the Zen monk, laying bare the inner turmoil that had plagued him for so long. With a patient ear and a compassionate gaze, the monk listened intently, his presence a balm to Chen's troubled soul. In response to Chen's plight, the Zen monk offered not words of solace or comfort, but a simple yet profound lesson that would forever alter the course of the young boy's life. Rising from his seat, the monk disappeared into the depths of the monastery, leaving Chen to ponder the mysteries of his impending return. Minutes stretched into hours as Chen awaited the monk's return, his mind awash with a tide of anticipation and trepidation. And then, like a wisp of smoke on the wind, the Zen monk reappeared, cradling in his hands a simple glass of water. "What is the weight of this glass?" the monk queried, his voice soft yet resonant with wisdom. Chen pondered the question, his brow furrowed in concentration, before venturing a tentative response. "A little." Undeterred by Chen's answer, the monk pressed on. "And if I hold this glass for an hour, what will happen?" Chen hesitated, his mind racing to find the right words. "It will feel a little heavy," he ventured. With a knowing smile, the monk nodded in agreement. "Indeed," he replied, "and if I hold it for a day, your hand will start to hurt." Chen nodded in acknowledgement, his gaze fixed upon the glass of water cradled in the monk's hands. "But did the weight of the glass change during that time?" the monk continued, his eyes alight with understanding. "No," Chen replied, his voice barely above a whisper. "It stayed the same." "Exactly," the monk affirmed, his words a beacon of clarity in the fog of Chen's confusion. "And what can I do to make the pain go away?" For a moment, Chen remained silent, lost in thought. And then, as if struck by a bolt of lightning, realization dawned upon him. "Put the glass down," he breathed, his voice filled with quiet certainty. With a gentle nod, the monk offered his own affirmation. "Just like that glass of water, our troubles may feel heavy at first. But if we hold on to them for too long, they can become overwhelming. The key is to let go of our worries and focus on the present moment." In that moment of profound revelation, Chen understood the true nature of his suffering. Like the glass of water, his troubles were but fleeting, transient in nature and inconsequential in the grand tapestry of existence. With newfound clarity, he resolved to release the burdens of the past and embrace the boundless potential of the present. From that day forth, whenever the specter of overthinking threatened to engulf him, Chen would recall the lesson of the glass of water, allowing its wisdom to guide him back to the shores of serenity. Slowly but surely, he felt the weight of his troubles begin to lift, replaced by a sense of lightness and liberation he had never known. And so, dear listener, let the tale of Chen serve as a testament to the transformative power of mindfulness and presence. In a world fraught with turmoil and uncertainty, may we all learn to set aside the burdens of the past and embrace the infinite possibilities of the present moment. Subscribe for more videos.